Hey guys, welcome to another Clash Royale video. I am Abhijit Clash. Welcome to my channel, and I am just finished master the deck beatdown. I am finished with two losses, but still it's good. So collect the epic chest. So I am using this deck. You all know this deck. This is the Elixir Golem, best deck in the game right now. You know the Alex Jonah in previous season top finish with this deck, and I am just using this deck a spell lightning for so many stuff, and Electro Dragon and Tornado just synergize so well. And the Skelly Dragons much more DPS, and Heal Spirit heals everything, and Battle Healer and Nightwish bats, and Elixir Golem devastating everything. So main thing is don't play any card at first. Wait till the double elixir start. If you double elixir start, you can beat easily your opponent, and you can easily defend for 1 minute, and you can easily win. So I am using this deck, and I am going to show you one replay about this deck. So that's the replay. I am just this time I am very afraid because well played. This time I'm crying because I am just putting down this game onto the double elixir and start stacking my elixir golem and get down his tower and very easily win. This is the crying face. He said me good luck. And that's the battle healer for the Dark Prince, and I am going to counter push because 1 minute he fireball is, so that's the best time to put down the skeleton dragon. And look at the power, man. This deck is insane. This deck is super deck, you all know that. And 1 minute left. I need only defense for 60 seconds, and that's the good game victory. Bat kills out the Magic Archer because Magic Archer just kill everything. Look at the Electro Dragon. Electro Dragon is also good because he stopped Prince, and so I am going to counter push so he doesn't get any chance to make his counter push. So that's the battle healer, and I am look at this. This is the time to BMing because that I want. So that's the good game. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys in the next video.